We're at Carl's Jr. We're in our favorite restaurant.
Yeah.
It says Carl's Jr.
This is our chair. Our seat. Our
Yes.
table.
Yes.
Even though we're not saying that much. You know.
No. We're just staying here for like at least 5 minutes or less. We're currently up here on the roof. We're gonna do a photo shoot. Yeah. Yeah. Photo sessions when we got sunlight now. And we're gonna stand here, I guess, right? Or that side.
Maybe that side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. That cricket though. Go under. This is bug abuse.
Oh jeez.
Go get out of here.
Oh
Oh.
jeez.
Get out of here.
It can fly.
What if it flies towards me? Just watch it like.
What if it flies towards me?
Oh,
Yeah, oh, it's a grasshopper.
yeah.
Wait, don't get it. Okay, it's a grasshopper. Oh no, it's a cricket. Oh no, it's a grasshopper. I don't know.
It's a grass cricket.
Grass cricket.
Get out of here, you big ugly bug.
Ugly alien. Step on it. Fuck that cricket.
Be free,
Step on it.
my little cricket.
Did it fall?
Where is it? Yeah. But I don't know where it is.
Wait, who's picking you up?
I'm walking to the hotel.
Oh, you're walking to the hotel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He's walking to the hotel.
Ah, too bright. Too bright, man. It's too bright.
Back.
Why? I'll see you on next weekend.
See you.
Or Monday. Monday.
Oh yeah, Monday.
On Halloween. Alright. See you guys. See you. Alright, so I'm leaving Nicholas's. I gotta go to the hotel and yeah. I gotta go see my mom. You see this car? The silver car? That's a really nice car. It's old but really nice. I like the white tires. And it's from USA, Nevada. And there's also a Corvette and a really nice car over there. Alright, for the moment of truth. Oh, you guys just saw a little glimpse of it. My hair is now bubblegum. But this is not the color that I want. Because I had color in my hair. It didn't really show up, so we bleached it. And then it came out like this because there was still leftover like hair dye. And you're the judge on the hidden house, and I will believe in. So we're gonna put this stuff in, maybe tonight or tomorrow. It's hair dye, as you can tell. Manic Panic, Vegan, High Voltage, Vampire Kiss. So yeah, if you guys want to look inside the bottle, hold up. It's like this. So think of this in my hair. It'll probably exactly be that exact color. I really hope. But look, I have bubble gum here. Like Josh. But I want to get red here. But yo, bubble gum here for life. I hope you guys can't hear the song, or YouTube can't hear the song, or else I'll get copyrighted. But yo, this is awesome. Cause look at this, my hair is like just mess it up and put it down and looks pretty. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Focus. Alright, so I got the glove on for applying this stuff into my hair. There, focus. Yeah. And, but at least a lot more than this, but let's do this. I'm an impatient person, I just want to get it done ASAP. My mom says, like, recommended me doing this tomorrow, but I don't want to have pink hair. I thought my mom was home. Apparently, it sounded like. Wow. No. Well, BRB, because I can't hold this and do this at the same time. Because it's sort of difficult. The iPhone will get in the way. So, yeah. BRB in 5 minutes. Alright, so I have to wait until my hair dries. You guys are probably wondering, why am I wearing a beanie when I'm doing my hair? Like, when the dye is on my hair and can mess up my beanie, right? There's a plastic bag, I just don't like to, like, show it. Rather have this tube on, even though it's not like how I usually wear. I usually wear, like, the hair's the front sticking out. But hey, it's better than a plastic bag, right? You guys? This is what it looks like. It's the next day. Oh, I sort of want it like maroon, like dark red. But I don't know. It's gonna be embarrassing, like going to work, because I got my work shirt on and I have to ask people if they want photos. They might ask about my hair. I might get some weird looks. Yeah, but oh well. But that hair though,